Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you the uses of kids mode. Yeah friends, so let's begin our video. See friends, this is kids mode. When we will open it is used for kids. Yeah friends, used for only kids. When we will open it, we will see something like this loading apps. Please wait. After opening it, we will see that nothing, only video, camera and music. So friends, it's for kids that they will see the camera, music or video. Not play any game. Yeah friends, game on kuch no games is here. When we will click on video, we will see our video, and music, we will see our musics, and we will click on camera, we will see our camera. We will click on settings. With ये use fingerprints to enter password. Okay friends, it's for, we will click on back, it will not go, so we will click on exit. We will click on enter lock screen password, and we will enter our password. See, we are out of kids mode. See, kids mode is gone and we are safe. It means our mobile is safe. Okay, so this is the use of kids mode. So dosto, if you like the video, please like our video and please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video friends.